Feeling stuck, insecure, and unsure of your full potential? It's time to embark on a transformative journey of self-discovery and personal growth. In this comprehensive guide, we'll walk you through a proven step-by-step process to glow up, destroy your insecurities, and unlock the best version of yourself. The first and most crucial step is to cultivate unwavering self-acceptance. So often, we get caught up comparing ourselves to unrealistic societal standards or unhealthy ideals perpetuated on social media. We become hyper-fixated on our perceived flaws and shortcomings, allowing them to chip away at our self-worth. It's time to break free from this toxic mindset. Start by identifying the areas of your life and personality where you already feel secure and content. Amplify those positive qualities through affirmations, visualization, and surrounding yourself with people who lift you up. As you nurture this confidence, you'll notice it spreading to other aspects of your life. Of course, this is often easier said than done. We all have insecurities that can feel impossible to overcome. These mental blocks and limiting beliefs are what's truly holding you back from reaching your full potential. It's time to get to the root of these insecurities and confront them head on. Once you've identified the core issues, it's time to challenge those limiting beliefs. Question the validity of the negative self-talk. What evidence is there to support these insecurities? Chances are, you'll find that the reality is far more positive than the story you've been telling yourself. Implement practical strategies to overcome these barriers. If you're insecure about your appearance, commit to a self-care routine that makes you feel confident and beautiful. If you struggle with social anxiety, push yourself out of your comfort zone and practice making connections. Every time you face your fears and prove your insecurities wrong, you'll chip away at their power. Start each day with a practice of gratitude. Make a conscious effort to appreciate the good in your life, no matter how small. This simple habit can have a profound impact on your overall outlook and emotional well-being. Pair it with visualization exercises, where you imagine yourself achieving your goals and living your best life. The power of the mind is truly remarkable. Affirmations are another invaluable tool in your self-improvement toolkit. Identify empowering statements that counteract your negative thought patterns, and repeat them to yourself regularly. I am worthy of love and respect. I am confident in my abilities. Each day, I am becoming the best version of myself. Over time, these affirmations will reprogram your subconscious mind and manifest tangible changes. Of course, cultivating a positive mindset is just the first step. To truly unlock your best self, you need to take consistent, meaningful action. As Steve Jobs so eloquently stated, the only way to do great work is to love what you do. Start by getting clear on the specific areas of your life that you want to transform. Maybe it's your career, your relationships, your health and fitness, or your personal growth. Identify the goals and milestones that will get you closer to your ideal vision. Break down these big picture goals into smaller, manageable action steps. What are the daily or weekly habits and routines you need to implement? What resources, support systems, or skills do you need to develop? Celebrate each incremental win, no matter how small. These small steps are what will ultimately lead to lasting transformation. As you navigate this transformative process, it's important to surround yourself with a supportive community. Seek out like-minded individuals who are also on a path of personal growth and self-discovery. Join online forums, attend local meetups, or even hire a coach or mentor to guide you along the way. Having a network of encouragement and accountability can be invaluable. At the same time, be selective about the company you keep. Limit your exposure to toxic influences, whether that's negative social media content, draining relationships, or self-sabotaging habits. Your environment has a powerful impact on your mindset and emotional well-being. Choose wisely. So, what are you waiting for? The time is now to break free from insecurity, step into your power, and become the vibrant, confident, and fulfilled person you were always meant to be. With unwavering self-acceptance, unshakable confidence, and a positive, growth-oriented mindset, the possibilities are truly endless. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay connected with us on this transformative journey. Together, let's unlock the best version of ourselves and create the life of our dreams.